It's sunny today. Let's go outside and have lunch on the patio.
The bus fares here are higher than in my hometown.
I want to eat Italian food since we're in Italy, but all the nearby restaurants are American. I want pasta, not burgers.
Sit.
The nearby coffee shop has great sandwiches. To try.
Bring some cash for train fare and snacks. There aren't any tables available inside the restaurant, but maybe we can sit on the patio. Last time we came here, they let us sit outside.
We can take the bus to go downtown. Public transportation isn't very expensive. I think bus fare only costs $2.
Pay. To try. Bring.
Get more with Super Duolingo. Reach your language goals fast with premium features that optimize your learning. With no limits to the mistakes you can make and no ads. Super learners are 4.